Every second, billions of people rely on technology, the connections that keep us close. Since 2013, Carlcare has grown into one of the world's leading after-sales service providers. Today, we operate across more than 60 countries, delivering trusted support to millions of customers worldwide and bringing professional service closer to every community we serve. Carlcare operates more than 5,200 service centers globally and has delivered over 30 million service experiences. Every repair, every interaction, delivered with professionalism, precision, and care. Carlcare has evolved beyond traditional device repair to become a comprehensive service ecosystem. From consumer electronics and smart living solutions, IT support, logistics, and intelligent customer care, we deliver solutions designed for modern lifestyles. Innovation drives everything we do. Meet Carl, the Carlcare digital assistant. Available through the Carlcare app and Carlcare website, Carl delivers seamless assistance around the clock. Innovation continues with the Carlcare Smart Locker service, a secure, convenient, and contactless way for customers to drop off and collect devices at their own convenience. The Carlcare experience extends far beyond our service centers. Through our digital platforms, customers can schedule repairs, monitor service progress, verify warranty coverage, access genuine spare parts pricing, activate protection plans, and connect directly with support specialists whenever assistance is needed. Life is full of unexpected moments. That's why Carlcare provides protection solutions designed to keep customers connected and protected. From extended warranty programs to screen protection coverage, we deliver peace of mind long after a device leaves the store. Technology does not make Carlcare. Our people do. Global teams pursue excellence with expertise, integrity, and care, and we empower staff to deliver service that wins lasting trust. Our commitment also extends beyond business. Across the communities we serve, Carlcare supports education initiatives, digital inclusion programs, skills development projects, volunteer outreach activities, and sustainability efforts. Because when communities thrive, we all move forward together. Every repair restores more than a device. It restores connection, productivity, opportunity, confidence. And as technology continues to transform the world, Carlcare remains committed to transforming service alongside it. Today and for generations to come, millions of people trust Carlcare to keep life moving. Powered by innovation, driven by people, connected through service, one promise remains unchanged: making life better through service. Carlcare. Yes, we care.